how to subscribe to SiriusXM subscription on Android. Now, if you have downloaded and created the SiriusXM app and then now you want to also purchase their subscription, first of all, open the SiriusXM app and log into the account under which you would like to basically have a subscription for. Now, here you can see it says get all our access plan for the only app, by the way, free for 90 days, then $9.99 a month. So depending on what you want to do, you can tap on the subscribe now button. In my case, I'm already logged in, by the way, so I can tap on subscribe now, and here you can see they have different plans. So I can do a yearly, which is the best value for $79 a year, or I can go for $10 a month plan, just based on what you want. Then I can tap on the subscription plan, agree to their conditions here. Then I can tap on agree and continue button. You simply have to verify with your card, so you can add a credit or debit card, you can redeem a code, or you can also add a PayPal account to subscribe to it. Then you can tap on the add button, verify with your payment info, and once your payment info have been verified, you'll be able to successfully subscribe to SiriusXM. This way you'll be able to subscribe to SiriusXM. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.